Okay, 25 then. 25. 18 then. We've got 25 lots of x squared plus 10x minus 24 equals 0. To complete the square, let's just divide by 25 all the way through the equation, every single term on the left and every single term on the right. So we'll end up with x squared. Now 10 over 25 is 2/5, isn't it? 'Cause there's a 5 common. So I'm just going to put 2/5 here. X minus 24 over 25, yeah? Agreed? And that will equal 0. Okay, that's what we've got to deal with. So now we can write down our square bracket here. Half of 2/5 is 1/5. So let's write that and see what we get. So when we expand this bracket, we'll get the x squared as the first term. The two middle terms will be a fifth and a fifth, which will make our 2/5. But we'll also have a last term, which will be a fifth times a fifth, which is 1 over 25. So to take care of that, because we can't just magic up and change the thing, we'll need to cover that by a minus 1/25. We've already got minus 24 25ths as well to here. So that's what we've got. Minus 1/25 then, and minus 24 25ths is minus 25 over 25, which is minus 1. So in the next line, I'm just going to move that over here and flip it to a plus 1. Okay, so we get, so x plus a fifth squared then equals 1, doesn't it? Square root both sides, and to undo a square, use square root. And square root of 1 is 1 with a plus minus. We can take care of that possibilities there. So now move the fifth over. Minus 1/5 plus 1 or minus 1, yeah? That's the answer. So fifth meant to be there. Okay, oops. So there's our answers then. Good. So what we've got, minus a fifth plus 1. 1 minus a fifth is 0.8. And minus a fifth minus 1, when you tap that in, you get minus 1.2, don't you? Yeah, there's the answers then. Let's just double check one of them. Let's check the 0.8, say, because that's easy to check. 25 times 0.8 squared plus 10 times 0.8 minus 24. We'll check it if we need to. Yeah, we'll need to check that. Let's just check this. 25 times 0.8 squared plus 10 times 0.8 minus 24. So I have made a mistake then, because I didn't get 0. So what have we done wrong? Divide by 25 all the way through, so that's fine. Did it there. We got x squared plus, that was 2/5, yeah, that's fine. That becomes a fifth squared. That and that is taken care of. Then you need to minus 1 over 25 to take care of that squared. That's fine. Your minus 24 25s come down there. Here, you get x plus a fifth. Now, minus 1 and minus 25 over 25 is minus 1. That moves over to plus 1. Square root both sides. The square root of 1 is 1 with a plus minus, yeah? And to undo a square, that's what you got there, x plus a fifth. So minus a fifth plus 1 is 4/5, 0.8. And minus a fifth minus 1 is minus 1.2. So 0.8 seems alright to me. So we've got 25 0.8 squareds plus 10 times 0.8. Yeah? Oh, see it? Plus 0.8. You need times. There's where the mistake was. Minus 24 equals, yeah, 0. So I mistakenly typed, but you can see how you check it, and you can see where your typo might come in. This time the typo was actually in the entry along the top here in the menu. Alright, so yeah, everything's okay, good, as we thought, and the calculation just needed double checking. Good, let's go on to the next one.